Hello viewers, I welcome you to this channel once again. Today we'll be solving Waec 2025 mathematics questions. We'll be solving it intermittently. We'll solve OBJ, we'll solve theory like that. So today we'll be solving theory question number 1. Now let's delve into this question. Question number 1 says, given that the universal set is a set of x such that 1 is less than x less than 20, where x is an integer, and p is, let's list out the elements of the universal set first. So the universal set, that is, so since you have that 1 is less than x less than 20, that means the values, the elements of the universal set will be 2. 1 will not be inclusive because 1 is less than, so that will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up to 20. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 20 will not be inclusive. It's just 18 and 19. 20 is not inclusive because what you have is less than 20. So 20 is not inclusive. Now the elements of P is such that it's an element of x. It's a set of x such that x is a multiple of 3. What are multiples of 3? Any number that multiplies 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. So all these are multiples of 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18. So because our universal set starts from 2 to 19, so the multiples of 3 has to be within this range. So it will be from 3 to 18. That means 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18. Then Q. It says Q is a set of x such that x is a prime number. What are prime numbers? A prime number is a number that can only be divided by itself and 1, except 1. So these prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. So let's list them out. So that will be 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. So these are the elements of Q. Now we are done listing all these sets out. Now the first question says find P intersection Q prime, or Q complement of Q. Now let's list it out. The elements of P are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18. Intersection, the elements of Q prime. Q prime are the elements we have in the universal set that are not in Q. So what are they? That will be 4. That's elements you have in the universal set that is not in Q. That is Q prime. So we have 4, we have 6, we have 8, we have 9, we have 10, we have 12, we have 14, we have 15, 16, we have 18. So this is Q prime. If you check, all of these numbers, all of these elements are not in Q, but they are in the universal set. So P intersection Q prime is what do you have here that you also have here. So P intersection Q prime will be equal to okay, we have 6 here and we have 6 there. So 6 comma, we have 9, we also have 9 here. So 9, we have 12 here, we also have 12 here. So 12, we have 15 and 18. We have 15 and 18. So 15 and 18. So these are our answer, P intersection Q prime. Then the next question says B, P prime union Q. P prime union Q. So B, P prime union Q. Let's first list the elements of P prime. P prime P prime are elements in P, elements in the universal set that we don't have in P. So let's go. What are they? We have 2, we have 4, we have 5, 7, 8, 10, 11, 13, 14, 16, 17, and 19. So this is P prime. This is P prime. If you check, all of these elements are not in set P. They are not in set P, but they are in set. They are in the universal set. So union Q. Already we have our Q to be union Q. Q is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19. So P prime union Q is all the elements in P prime and Q. So that will be P prime union Q is equal to 2, 3, 4, everything you have here. 4, 5, there's no 6. So don't make mistake to write 6. There's no 6 here. So you have to be very careful when listing the elements out. 5, there's 7, we have 8, there's no 9. There's no 9, so we have to be very careful. We have 10, there's 11, there's no 12. So don't write 12. We have 13, we have 14, no 15. So don't write 15. So 16, there's 16, there's 17, there's no 18. No 18. 17, then 19. So this is P prime union Q. Then for question C, it says P union Q prime. That's P union Q, then the prime. Okay, let's first list out P union Q. P union Q. So P is element P is, let's go over it again. P is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and 18. Let me do this so it will be easy for us to comprehend. Then Q, elements in Q are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19. These are elements in Q. Remember, we still look for the prime. So now the union is everything in these two sets. That will be 2. We have 2 there. We have 3. There's no 4, so don't write 4. 2, 3. There's 5. There's 6. No, there's 7. There's no 8. Don't write 8. There's 9. There's no 10. There's 11. We have 11. We have 12. 13. There's no 14. So you skip it. Then 15. No 16. Write 17. There's 17 there. There's 18. And there's 19. Then we now look for the prime of this. What you have in the universal set that is not in this element here. So P union Q prime. This P union Q. Note this P union Q. So P union Q prime becomes, so what you have in the universal set that is not in this element you have here. So let's go back to the universal set. Universal set, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that becomes 2, 3, 4. 4 is not there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, so that's it. So 4, 8, 10, 14, and 16. That's what is missing here. That's what is missing. So this is P union Q prime. So thank you very much. I'll be dropping question number 2 shortly. So stay tuned. Thank you very much. Bye.